facilities, benefits, and opportunities that others enjoy. Okay, so this is the concept of social exclusion. Exclusion means to exclude, to keep out from the common society. Now, the second important term is vulnerability. Vulnerability literal means to be prone or in danger. Probability means possibilities. So vulnerability to poverty is a measure which describes the greater probability of certain communities of becoming or remaining poor in coming years. Means some of the communities or the section or the individuals of the society throughout their life they are prone, they are this is possibility for those people to live in poor and same condition. In this we include the people of backward community, and widows and physically handicapped persons. Vulnerability is determined by the options available to different communities for finding an alternative living in terms of asset, education, health, and job opportunities. Yes, how it is determined? So, it is determined by the options. These are some parameters which are available to other different communities. What are the parameters? Like asset, then education, then health, then job opportunities. Further, it is analyzed on the basis of greater risk these groups face at the time of natural disaster. Yes, it is also further it is analyzed on the basis of greater risk at the time of any disaster. Mostly, whenever any disaster comes, so these people are more prone, more sufferer of those disasters. Okay. So now, in fact, vulnerability describes the greater probability of being more adversely affected than other people when bad time comes for everybody. Yes. This is the conclusion that whenever any bad time comes, so that time during this adverse condition, these section or communities of the society suffer a lot due to that disaster or any adverse condition. For example, this time we are suffering with corona, so this is a type of disaster. So we are in much better condition as we are having our assets, we are having some savings, we are having our source of income. But what about those who were the daily wage earners? In news, you must have heard about their conditions during this bad time. So this is the vulnerability. I think this concept would be clear to you people. So now children, this is the another topic. This is poverty line. So now the question arises, what is poverty line? So poverty line is a common method used to measure poverty is based on the income or consumption level. A person is considered poor if if his or her income or consumption level falls below a given minimum level necessary to fulfill the basic needs. Simply, it means if a person's income is less than its expenditure, so definitely he or she will fall under poverty line. Better now the question arises that why do different countries use different poverty lines? Yes, it is also a fact about the poverty line that poverty line vary from place to place and time to time, and this is the reason that different countries use different poverty lines. The reason behind this that in different countries the people living belonging to different human races, their physical structure is different and accordingly their calorie requirement is different. Secondly, second reason is this: the standard of living in developed and developing countries is different. Third reason is that per capita income in developed and developing countries is different. And the fourth, the cost of calorie requirement, means monetary expenditure cost of essential goods for calorie fulfillment is different in different countries. So these are some reasons. Just because of that, different countries use different poverty lines. And each country uses an imaginary line that is considered appropriate for its existing level of development and its accepted minimum social norms. For example, a person not having a car in United States may be considered poor because it is a developed country and car is a basic need for people living in USA. On the other hand, when we talk about India, so owning of a car is still considered as luxury because India is a developing country and the per capita income of Indian people is is lesser than the people living in United States. So I think this would be clear to you people. Now the next question is how the poverty line is measured in India. So beta in India a minimum, while determining the poverty line in India, a minimum level of food requirement and other requirement like